Have you been annoyed by the Ylog module DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze localized diagnostic logging manifest dependency and restore that missing file. To start fixing Ylog module manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Ylog module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume applications for their internal debug and event logging subsystem. It records application state changes and error codes to local log files for troubleshooting. Its absence usually indicates a partial installation. While the app may run, it will fail to generate diagnostic reports for subsequent crashes. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Errors involving Ylog module DLL typically suggest that the localized diagnostic logging manifest files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Ylog module component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. If you're attempting to register Ylog module DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Ylog module and registry optimization. To support our technical team and receive updates on Ylog module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.